So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the System.io free plan, which is much better than a free trial, given the fact that it can be free forever and there's going to be no card needed unless you want to upgrade. So in case you're not familiar with System, you can get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. I will leave my link down below in case you want easier access to System where you can sign up for free. So really, once you arrive on this page, all you need to do is go here. Your email is going to go here, and then you can simply click right here for Get My Free Account. Now, given the fact that it is free, there is going to be the ability to upgrade in case you want increased perks and features and so on and so forth. So allow me to kind of jump on over the pricing, and I'll show you what comes along with the free aspect of System and what you can get if you upgrade. Alright, so as you can see, we have choose your plan. It's going to be free forever, as it shows right here, $0 a month. So with this, you get contacts up to 2,000. That means that if you're going to be generating leads, one lead is going to be one contact. You get unlimited emails sent, which is pretty cool. You get 3 sales funnels. You get 15 sales funnel steps. So for example, let's say you have one sales funnel. In that you have a squeeze page, in that you have a thank you page, and in that you have a bonus page. Those are going to be 3 specific steps out of the 15. You know what I mean? So that's how that works. With blogs, you get one. You could have unlimited blog posts. You get one course, unlimited students. You get one community, unlimited communities, file storage space is unlimited, which is cool. Automation rules, workflows, tags, email campaigns, one-click upsells, order bumps, A/B tests, and coupon codes are all going to be one. So these are going to be the things like if you're really starting to sell, you're probably going to want maybe more order bumps or more one-click upsells if you have multiple products or if you want to do more A/B testing. That's where actually upgrading becomes a no-brainer because a lot of those things can literally pay for themselves upon making one sale. For example, if you have a one-click upsell and it's like $47 per sale, you're already like, if you make one of those, that's just covering this plan per month. You know what I mean? So scrolling down, there's also deadline funnels. I'm just going to go through a lot of this. You can kind of see the integrations and so on and so forth. A lot of this is also going to be similar. You can run your own affiliate program. API requests per minute is going to be increased as you go up. And of course, custom domains, you get one. You don't have evergreen webinars until you get to this plan and then the last plan. And of course, some free migration is going to be if you get to the biggest plan, and one-on-one kickstart coaching session is going to be for anyone who purchases the final plan, which is going to be unlimited. So that's all the details when it comes to the System.io free plan. Like I said, better than a free trial. It doesn't expire, so the only reason it would have to change it is if you go to upgrade. And like I said, if you need some of those bigger plans, it becomes a no-brainer because a lot of those features can literally pay for themselves. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and of course I will leave my link down below as well where you can get a System free plan, get your free account, get up and running, and then go from there. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.